The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari is a powerful book. It tells the story of Julian Mantle. Julian was a very successful lawyer. He had a luxurious life, but he wasn't happy. He had a heart attack. This wake-up call made him rethink his life. Julian decided to make a change. He sold his Ferrari. He gave up his possessions. He went on a spiritual journey to India. In the Himalayas, he met wise sages. They taught him valuable lessons. These lessons changed his life. This book is about finding your purpose. It's about living with intention. It's about finding happiness within. It's a guide to self-discovery and fulfillment. Julian Mantle was ambitious. He worked long hours. He chased success. But this came at a cost. He neglected his health. He ignored his inner voice. He felt empty inside. His heart attack was a turning point. It made him realize something. Material possessions don't bring happiness. He needed to find his purpose. He decided to listen to his heart. Julian's journey was transformative. He learned about mindfulness. He discovered the power of gratitude. He embraced simplicity. He found joy in everyday moments. In the Himalayas, Julian met the sages of Sivana. They shared ancient wisdom. This wisdom helped Julian find peace. He learned the importance of self-discipline. He practiced meditation and mindfulness. The sages taught him about the 7 virtues of enlightened living. These virtues guide a fulfilling life. They include mastering your mind, following your purpose, and living in the present moment. Julian realized something important. True happiness comes from within. It's not about external achievements. It's about inner peace and purpose. This realization changed his life. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari offers practical lessons. We can apply these lessons to our own lives. We can cultivate self-awareness. We can practice gratitude. We can nurture our minds and bodies. The book encourages us to follow our passions. It reminds us to live with purpose. It teaches us to appreciate the present moment. By embracing these principles, we can find greater fulfillment. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari is a journey of self-discovery. It's a reminder to live a life true to ourselves. It's a call to embrace our potential and live with passion and purpose.